Are you tired of sending payment requests on Wise and not knowing if they've actually been paid? Maybe you're waiting on a client or a friend, and you just keep refreshing your inbox, hoping for an email that never comes. Here's exactly how to find those unpaid ones in just 3 clicks. We'll start from your Wise homepage, then navigate to payment requests, and finally filter by the unpaid status. By the end of this, you'll go from digging around in confusion to knowing exactly where everything stands in seconds. So let's get started. You're going to begin right from your Wise homepage. Now, look up in the top right corner. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a little circle with your initials or a small picture if you've added one. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is where a lot of folks get tripped up. You'd think payment requests would be somewhere obvious, like right on the main dashboard, but they're actually tucked away inside your profile menu. So when that dropdown appears, you're going to look for the option that says Payment Requests. It should be right there in the list. Click on that. And here's the really important part. Once you're on the Payment Requests page, you might see a bunch of different tabs or sections at the top. You might see things like Sent or Received, or maybe just a long list of everything. Don't worry about all that. Instead, look specifically for a tab that says Unpaid. It's usually right there alongside the other filter options. Click on that. Just like that, Wise will filter the list down to show you only the payment requests that haven't been paid yet. You'll see exactly who you're waiting on, how much they owe, and when the request was sent. No more guessing games or digging through old emails. So, now that you know how to get there in just a few clicks, you can check on your pending payments anytime you need to. It takes seconds. And here's a little tip I always share with people who are just getting organized with their Wise account. Once you're on that unpaid list, take a quick look at the dates. Some requests might be weeks old. If you see an unpaid one that's been sitting there for a while, it might be worth sending a gentle reminder. But hey, that's entirely up to you. And the best part is, now you know exactly where to look anytime you need to. No more wasted time hunting around the app. You've got this. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more step-by-step walkthroughs just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.